Every year here at Porthaven, our chefs come together to take part in a competition in the hope of being crowned Chef of the Year. After focusing on categories including nutrition and hydration, eggs, the Platinum Jubilee, Mark Hicks's Fish Challenge and the Sous Chef Challenge, the penultimate chef competition allows everyone to really show off the best of their abilities. Newlands Farm Shop in Hook offers a stunningly appointed demonstration and teaching kitchen, the perfect location for our team to shop, cook and taste a range of dishes. John Huggett, Porthaven's Group Hotel Services Manager, challenged our chefs to create a delicious main course along with a modified version with a budget of £35 to be judged by guest judges Mark Hicks and John Wood.
Think about timings. And think about presentation, flavour, how you work as well is important. If you've got any questions that we're going through, just shout. It's meant to be enjoyable, remember? It's all about fun. Yeah.
In addition to this, everyone was asked to make the perfect chocolate fondant with an accompaniment.
Yeah, just be careful of timing, obviously.
Days like this promote everything that Porthaven stands for when it comes to food. Flavour, creativity, nourishment and above all else, excellence. Encouraging healthy competition allows our chefs to constantly discover new techniques, combinations and ways to excite our residents' taste buds. Introducing everyone to this new environment and taking them out of their comfort zone in a time-pressured situation allows our chefs to really excel and perform. The farm shop provides seasonal produce and a variety of ingredients to choose from, and after a staggered start time, the chefs can make the most of the varied choice with some time for planning.
Days like this, well, they allow us to celebrate the great work that our chefs do. It keeps them competitive, which means the quality of the food stays as high as it can be, and we keep pushing. Just a great day for the business and to celebrate food. You know, winner today, I think we need to see someone taking really good seasonal produce that we've got access to here, showing elements of creativeness and being quite technical as well. We really want them to show that they've considered some of the approaches for some of the ingredients they're using. There's so many great ingredients here, and there's actually some lobster. Keep it quite simple really, just some grilled lobster with a nice lemon sauce. That would be me, maybe some fries, that'd be perfect for me.
We then provided everyone with 2.5 hours to make the main dish along with the modified version and chocolate fondant. Having renowned and celebrated chefs Mark Hicks and John Wood present is vital in providing our teams with role models within the industry.
So what's really important is we've done this competition now, it's probably in our 6th or 7th year, and I've been judging with it all this time, and what's really important is be able to take chefs out of their comfort zone a little bit and allow them to enjoy a day like today and be able to experiment and see different foods and try different foods and come to a lovely place like this and be able to go shopping and be able to just think about, you know, outside of their normal environment. So sometimes when you're working within a care home, you can just carry on doing the same things and the same things. You haven't got time to create and think outside, and this is what this does. It allows them to look at that and say, now I can do something really creative. And it just sparks, you know, that sort of thought process, and that's why this competition is so important. Yeah.
The main thing for me is, you know, keeping it very simple and seasonal. Not overcomplicating things, focusing on the main ingredient. There's not too many garnishes and things going on. And I know we will come across some of that. But yeah, I think it's good for, you know, everyone who entered really to be in a competition.
With a plethora of experience and knowledge, our teams can indulge and take advantage of one-to-one coaching and advice, something that really sets Porthaven apart. Each year, the food is not only judged by Porthaven CEO John Story, Group Hotel Manager John Huggett, and Mark Hicks and John Wood, but also by the previous year's winner.
My name's Sam, I work at Falkland Grange in Newbury. Last year I did a chicken breast with some fondant potatoes, seasonal vegetables, and then the technical challenge was the roulade covered in chocolate ganache. So I filled mine with cream and a rose flavouring and decorated it with some fresh raspberries and a raspberry coulis.
After judging has taken place, winners are announced at Porthaven's Awards Day, and it's a fantastic opportunity to celebrate the talent across our group and recognise this year's winner.